Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can change fonts in Roblox games. So first up, you just need to open a new tab here, and then here on Google search bar, type here thefont.com. Then in this website, you will find different fonts that you can basically use. So depending on your preference here. So for example, I'm going to search for a font. I'm going to use the search box right there at the top right. For example, this one here is like bread coffee font. So I'm going to type right here. And then once done, tap on search or press enter, and then you will find the font here. So if I'm going to use this one, just click on the download button right from here. And then as you can see here at the top right, so click on save. Okay, so once done, you need to make sure that you open your Roblox on your browser and just have to select to play and experience here. So if you don't have the Roblox player installed, you'll be asked to download the Roblox player. Right now, once done, go back to the folder, locate the file, and extract all files here to this folder. So right click on the zip file and then click on extract all. All right, and then click on extract. So there you go. Now what we can do now is basically search for Roblox player. So go to the search icon right here at the taskbar. And then type here Roblox player. All right, from here, right click on Roblox player. Then it will open up the file location. And then again, right click on the Roblox player here and click on the open file location. Then go to content folder right there at the top and then select on fonts. So here, as you can see, the first thing you need to do is save the old fonts here. So we're going to create a folder from here. So I'm going to type alt fonts to basically save the font here that we want to remove and replace, right? So what we can do now is we're going to the fonts, right? And then we're going to select the fonts here like the Arimo Bold, Arimo Regular, and then search for Sorsons Pro, Sorsons Pro Lite, and Sorsons Regular. Right. And once done, you just have to cut or maybe move to the old file or old fonts folder. Okay, I'm going to just make a split screen here and then move that fonts here. And then what we can do, we're going to copy the four old fonts, copy the name, and change the font or new fonts right over here. All right, so once done, as you can see, all you need to do if you're going to just rename the font, you just have to move the new font to the Roblox folder. Now it will automatically apply to the Roblox game. So all fonts will be changed depending on the game that you will play. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.